my neighbors to the right and to the left of me still have trees on their yard. And guess what happens when the wind blows, like on a windy day like today? Hey, just a quick video here, guys. I wanted to do a quick pro tip on how to get leaves out of your shrub bed. So as you can see here, I mentioned in a previous video that I had some trees on my front yard that I have since cut down. I guess it's been maybe about 2 years now, but you can see my neighbors to the right and to the left of me still have trees on their yard. And guess what happens when the wind blows, like on a windy day like today? All of the leaves are coming over to my yard from the right and from the left. So one thing that I wanted to do here in the flower bed, well, it's a shrub bed, which will be a flower bed as well, but one thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to actually use something else for the mulch here. There's this thing that's called lava rock that's a little heavier, that can allow me, when leaves and things blow into the flower bed, it's heavy enough so that if I use my blower, I can basically just blow the leaves and the debris off the flower bed without moving the lava rock. But since I'm not able to find the lava rock, I went ahead and installed the mulch. But the problem with the mulch is whenever there are leaves and things like that on the mulch and you try to blow the leaves off the mulch, well, what happens? You're blowing the mulch along with the leaves. So I'm gonna run some video, or a video clip here from yesterday, where I found a cool little trick. And what the trick essentially is if you blow the leaves off the mulch when the mulch is wet, you tend to not blow as much of the mulch off. And the reason is, when it rains, the mulch gets saturated and it's a little heavier. So when you're blowing the leaves off the mulch, you're really just blowing the leaves. And since the mulch is a little heavier, you tend to not blow the mulch away. So again, it's not a perfect solution, but it is a quick tip that I wanted to pass on. You know, if you're dealing with a situation like this where you have a mulch bed, if you maybe do it after it rains, or you want to wet the mulch bed a little bit to saturate the mulch before blowing the leaves off, you will find that you will blow the leaves off more effectively without actually disturbing the mulch. So again, just a quick pro tip that I wanted to pass on. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions or if that was helpful. Take care.